Hi friends, today we're going to work with our 5 frame and some chips. So each of you should have a 5 frame in front of you and each of you should have 5 chips of the same color. So first of all, let's take a look at this 5 frame. So one side is plain red and the other side there are 5 frames on. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do it again. Fingers up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count our chips now. Ready? Fingers up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what do we know about this? We have 5 frames and 5 chips. Let's practice putting them on. Now, sometimes they can be a little hard to put on, so what Mrs. Shimia does is to slide. So you should be sitting up straight, and with one hand you should be holding down your strip, and the other hand have a pointer finger to do the moving. And if you put the chip gently on the edge there, not underneath it or behind it, it's going to be really easy to slide. So I'm going to give you a minute to organize your chips so they look like Mrs. Shimia's, and then we're going to practice the slide. All right, hold it with one hand, finger up. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're going to go backwards. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's practice that a few more times. Ready? Finger up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's slide off now. Finger up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now let's play a little game. I'm going to say a number, and I'm going to see if you can slide down that many chips. So if Mrs. Shimia said the number 2, can you slide down 2 chips? 1, 2. Very good. All dots up. Finger up and ready for the number. The next number is 3. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3. Slide your chips back up. Finger up. Ready, the number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's slide them off now. 4, 3, 2, 1. Ready again, fingers up. The number 5. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember, we're holding it down with our other hand and our pointer finger. We're doing our sliding. Let's count backwards now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, if you look now, there are 0 chips on our strips, so we call that the number 0. So if Mrs. Shimia says, show me 0, this is 0. What if Mrs. Shimia says, show me 3? Fingers up, show me 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's count them off. 3, 2, 1. Fingers up. The number 5. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's slide them off. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Fingers up. The number 1. Slide it off. Finger up. Ready, set, the number 3. Fingers up, go. 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1. Fingers up. The number 5. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And remember, you're always holding your strip with the other hand. And when you slide them off, it's just a gentle slide, so it's not going all the way off. Let's count backwards now and slide them off. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we're going to play a little game now. I just want you to follow Mrs. Shimia. I'm not going to say anything. And I want to see if you can follow Mrs. Shimia. Ready? Fingers up. Okay, we're going to add something else to this game. Mrs. Shimia has number cards. I'm going to put them in order, starting with the number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's practice saying them. Ready? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What I'd like you to do now is when Mrs. Shimia turns over, shows you a number, I would like you to match that number to the chips on the fives frame. So are we ready for the first number? Fingers up. Go. I have the number 1 and 1 chip. Fingers up. Go. The number 3. I have 3 chips. 1, 2, 3. Numbers up. Finger up. The number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fingers up. Ready? The number 0. So Mrs. Shimia is going to put 0 chips on the 5 frame. Fingers up. Go. The number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now I'm going to put my tens frame away. You keep yours out, because now we're just going to play a game where Mrs. Shimia is going to show you the number and you match that with your fives frame. Are you ready? Go. Slide them off. Ready, set, fingers up, go. Slide them off, which you don't have to slide any there, I hope. Ready, set, go. Slide them off. Ready, set, go. Slide them off. Ready, fingers up, set, go. Slide it off. Ready, set, fingers up, go. Slide it off. Okay. So let's put our things away. And thank you for playing this little game with Mrs. Shimia today.